Hello friends, today we are going to start our new topic, note values and rest. This is a new edition book from Trinity. So I'll be following the new edition now. So let's start. So in this one, this topic we'll be learning the note values, which is a new one, which will be demi-semi quavers. So until now we have learned the quaver, which we called eighth note. Okay, then we have learned the semiquaver, which we call the 16th note. And now we have demi-semiquaver, where we have three flags, which is called 32nd note. Okay, so in between, while doing this topic, if I sometimes say 8th note, 16th note, or 32nd note, please don't get confused. Understand the technical names can be different, but the concept of doing them is same. Okay, so let's start. So let's read this. So this is our demi-semiquaver, which three flags. Okay. Next we have like semiquavers. They can be beamed together. So here they're showing that how to beam together. This 4 is the value of your one quiver. Okay. Hand tip is where three examples are given. First two are the clearest, and either of these should be used for your exam. So for when the exam you have this, so make sure for the crochet bead, to show a crochet bead, either use this one or use this one, because this is what they saying that you should be used either of them, which the first two. Okay, so either you use this one or this one while doing in the exam. Okay, this is also correct, but try to use these two first. Okay, now next one is all like this, where the bead is a crochet, dotted crochet bead. So this is a dotted crochet bead. Yes, understand this. So that means if there's a crochet bead and there's a dot here, so this will be, this are the way you can write them down. Okay, now this is a sign for your demi-semi-quiver rest. Okay, so we remember the quiver rest is this, the semi-quiver is this, and now the demi-semi-quiver will be three of them. Okay, so you can see how to put the rest here. Okay, in this example you can see how the rest is written here in 6, 8, or 4, 4. I'll move forward. So if you have any question related to this, just write your comment in the comment section so I can get back to you on this. Okay, next one we have, so how to use the rest. So as we always have learned that we should take care of the box, which is the imaginary line in between. So here also you can see this is a correct way to write it, because they have written this demi-semi-quiver rest separately, these two separately, because they are not crossing the imaginary line. But here, if they have crossed the imaginary line, so this is wrong part. Okay, so you have to take care of this while giving the exam. Now, they can be inside the group. Okay, you can see this, and this is a different way to write it them. So you can read all of them, how to write it down. You need to understand the value of that, how, where you have to put in, how you're putting it. So they're saying that you can write it within the bar, within the beamed, you can write them, how you to write the use, the rest. Okay. Next, they have showing the dotted semiquaver rest. So you can see the example here and here. Okay. This is the rest, and this is the note. Okay, dotted one. So I'll straight away jump to the exercises so that we don't waste too much time, but go through to the examples here and let me know in the comment section if you have any problem with them. Then I'll help you out to explain that. Okay, so let's do the first one. Fill the colored boxes with correctly grouped demi-semi quavers. So the time signature is 3, 4. So that means we need 3 crochet bead in each of the boxes. So now in this one we have a crochet rest, so this has been completed. Now here we have one 8th note, so say a quiver, so it has a value of half beat, and then we have a group of demi-semi quiver, which also has a value of 1 quiver beat. So these two complete your one crochet beat. Okay, now we need to fill the third box with the same thing. So we have learned here that to fill a crochet beat, we can use this one, okay, or this one. So we'll use the first one. Okay, so what we're going to do, you're going to make okay. So like I always told you, because I use the digital platform to show you. So sometimes my lines are not correct. They're not straight. Okay. But when you have to do it in exams and when you use the pencil, just make sure that you make them straight as much as possible. Okay. Now next one is 6/8. Okay. So let me do 6/8. So that means we need 6 quiver bead there. Okay. So let's see, these four makes your one quiver bead. Now, so now these two make one semi-quiver, and here we have a semi-quiver rest. So these two makes one quiver bead rest. Okay. Now here we have a quiver rest. So we have completed 1, 2, and 3 quiver beads. Now we need 3 more quiver bead, but we need the rest. So how can we do that? We know we can use a crochet rest and a dotted crochet rest, which means we have 3 quiver rest over here. Okay, so that is how we complete this one. Let's move to the next one. So next one we have write correctly group rest below the artist rest. So again the signature is 3/8, which means 3 quiver beat we need. So these two make one semi-quiver. We are left with one demi semi-quiver here, and that means we need to complete this one. So we need a demi semi-quiver rest here. Okay, so then these two will complete one semi-quiver, okay, value. Now here these 4 demi semi-quiver beam together is the value of a quiver beat, and this is a demi semi-quiver. So that means we need 3 more demi semi-quiver here. So for that, what we can do, we can use a quiver beat here with the dotted one. Okay, I think something went wrong here. Okay, we had put it. So now I will see you in the next video. Until, thank you and take care. Please share and subscribe. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you don't like it, hit the unlike button as well. So I understand that what you guys are looking for, and I'll try to make the videos according to your choices. Okay. So please definitely give your suggestions in the comment section. Okay. See you next video. Till then, thank you.